Hi, my name is Tatiana Ortiz. I am 35 years old. In my free time, I go to the gym. I live in Ibagué. On my last vacation, I travel to a town. I live with my daughter and her father and my cat. I study psychology. On my next vacation, I will still go to the desert to the Tatacoa to see the stars. My hobby is watching movies. My recipe: rice with milk. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, a sliver of cinnamon, 2 cups of milk, half a cup of milk condensed, a cup of cream milk, 3 tablespoons of raisins. Step 1. In a saucepan, overlock Nick cook the water for 15 minutes. Step 2. Add milk. Add milk and stir with a spoon constantly. Step 3. Add milk condensed. Add milk condensed and keep stirring until the rice softens and takes on consist cream. Step 4. Add milk cream the milk. Add cream the milk and cook without stopping. Strain for 4 minutes. Step 5. Add the rising. Finally, add the rising and stir to ingredient everything. Bye.